Hi, I'm Blanche. Here's a poem for my collection. Keep an eye out for my upcoming books.
Nobody says a word when the leaves fall to the ground. Such a beautiful suicide, but nobody makes a sound. It's a seasonal sacrifice as their bodies lay in mounds, and their only epitaph is a silent rustling sound. Nobody says a word as the sun it goes away and leaves us in the dark when childhood's fear come out to play. We light a single flame and try to keep all monsters at bay, or we huddle in the shadows and for the daylight pray. Nobody says the word when the rain falls from the sky. Maybe Mother Nature's in pain, and all she can do is cry. No words of sympathy to ease her aching sighs. We guard against her tears and keep our own selves dry. Nobody says a word when a lover's heart it breaks. They can't hold on anymore, so their whole world begins to quake. Phony friends come in their lives and put on a smile that's fake. But no words of help are offered, and so the pain it rips and shakes.